Hi, I'm RL from MathinSG.com. In this video here, we'll be going through the H2 A-Level Math 2024 paper 2, question 1. This is a complex number question. The full work solution for this paper can be found here. I'll provide the link in the description below. So now let's get into this question. Oops. So this question here is a complex number question. So you're given the complex number minus 2 plus I is denoted by Z. Find the real numbers A and B such that Z equals to A, Z conjugate plus B. Okay, so you have Z, it is minus 2 plus I. Its conjugate will be, just change the sign of the imaginary number. So it's minus 2 minus I. So now I have Z equals to AZ conjugate plus B. So minus 2 plus I equals to A minus 2 minus I plus B. Okay, so now let me expand it. Okay, since A and B are real, right? And all the coefficients are real. Okay, so therefore the real will be equals to the real part, the imaginary will be equals to the imaginary part, because the real number cannot be imaginary and imaginary number can never become real. Okay, so whatever I underline are real, so minus 2 equals to minus 2a plus b. Okay, so in other words, I know that b is equals to 2a minus 2. Next, the imaginary ones, this and this, they are equal to each other. So that means I is equals to minus AI. That means A must be equals to negative 1. So that here is positive I. Okay. So now I know A is minus 1. So B, which is equals to 2A minus 2, will be equals to minus 4. So my answer is A equals to minus 1, B equals to minus 4. Okay. Next, without using a calculator, evaluate this. Write your answer in the form this, where C and D are real numbers. So basically, this one can be done with your calculator. So what I want you to do is every step that you are doing, right, check it with your GC to make sure that you are getting the correct answer. So let's do this. I'll write my part B here. Okay, so I know W is 1 minus 3I and Z is minus 2 plus I. Okay, so over W, which is 1 minus 3I over minus 2 plus I. So once I'm done with this, I need to evaluate, right? I want you to type this into your GC, evaluate what it is. Type this into your GC, evaluate what it is. So that as you're doing, you know that you're at the correct answer. Alright, and if you have no time, just type in what this value is in the GC, then what this value is in from the GC, and then again type the whole thing, evaluate with your GC. That's it. You can get your 4 marks. Okay, but you need to show that you didn't use the calculator in some way or not. So you need to show some working. So this, let's first do it. Minus 3I squared, so that means it's plus 3 because I squared is minus 1. Then for this one, I need to multiply top and bottom, or the numerator and the denominator, by the conjugate of Z, which is minus 2 minus I. Sorry, plus. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, let's continue. So I have, this is 5 minus 5, 5I. Okay. Then here I have 1 plus 7I. So that is my answer, 2 plus 6i. Okay, and they want you to write in the form c plus di, where c and d are real numbers. So you can write c equals to 2, d equals to 6. All right.